Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 165 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast. In this quick in-between episode, we're going to talk about a tactic that you can use to grow your veterinary practice. In this episode, we are going to talk about stories and a quick way to make your stories more effective in direct response marketing. So in today's episode, we are talking about that. Let's get into it. So stories are one of the best ways to reach your clients and your customers on Instagram. I love them because it gives oftentimes a behind the scenes look and you're able to provide more context. It doesn't take that long to create content inside of stories. The thing about stories that you really need to think about, though, is how can you get people to take direct action from stories? Now, one thing that I've been testing and working on a lot, especially with my e-commerce clients that I have, is we put questions there, and we specifically will, when we're running specials or promotions or trying to drive a specific strategy into, not a strategy, but we're trying to drive a specific offer in, they're driving people in with it, we put that sticker that says, ask a question. And a lot of times what we'll do is we'll just say, would you like a promo code to our special? So a lot of times we'll have like a picture of a post or something relevant inside that story. We'll hashtag it, make sure that the right people see it. We'll do location tag if possible. And then we'll also say what the offer is. So, 4th of July special, Memorial Day special, whatever you're running. And then at the end, you'll put, would you like a promo code for this? Or would you like a link to this? Or would you like a coupon code for this? Whatever it is that you do to track your marketing, however you can track it, is how you're going to phrase this. So you would say, would you like a coupon code for a, such and such offer? And then when people respond that they would like it, you're going to be able to respond to them by texting them through Instagram. And you send them a message directly. And you do this by clicking on responses and then respond by clicking on the person's profile. It'll open up their profile message and then you're able to respond to them directly. Over the 4th of July weekend, I ran a promotion for a free shipping promo code for an e-commerce client that I have, and it worked amazingly well. People felt like they wanted it. So you're able to, number one, say, hey, there's something that we're offering. Would you like this? People say, I want that. And you're not just out there putting it out so that people can freely get it if they feel like it. They have to respond to you. And then if they don't take action in the time frame that you're saying, like you said, I said it's going until 4th of July. It expires at midnight, 4th of July. And then if people don't take that action, I can follow up and say, hey, quick reminder, just wanted to let you know that expires at midnight tonight. Don't forget to take action. So that way we're able to use urgency, scarcity, and all of the good sales tactics that help to drive action. So I think this is a really good strategy. If you're doing Instagram stories, think about trying this out for your practice. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.